I really like the inclusiveness. Also the small classroom sizes was a big thing for me. So just how much the professors care, how willing they are to go outside of their way, outside of their class time to help students was a big deal, especially as education. It's great to learn firsthand rather than be in a 200, 300, 400 class lecture style. So having that chance to be inquisitive and having that atmosphere, just being on campus is so robust and everyone's ecstatic to be here and it's just a great place. That just shows you how these small things, such as even $5, can really add up and build things like Grumbacher or new academic buildings, new technology in classrooms that are up to date to give students the best opportunity here by getting hands-on experience with things that are actually happening in the world now.